Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another tech video. This is an old school thing. Actually, this phone, you're gonna see it. This is a Nokia N86 N series and we gonna break it down today. Now, jumping to the conclusion, this is an old phone, but still it survived all the misery of 2018. So there are things which on my own kind of aspect, I find they're so useful on this kind of device of right now. Though it's an old phone, but it may be useful. It's not something which we can say we throw it away and we grab a new Galaxy and we use it, but this is a legendary because it has all the Galaxy features. I don't mean all entirely Galaxy features, but this is where Galaxy copied everything. Android, iPhone, they came across this phone and they just trying to copy everything, and perhaps the game worked. But some of the things, they actually didn't work, but let us just break it down today. Now, on this kind of tiny device you see here, first of all, it has a front camera and the back camera. Now, something which will surprise you on this device, the camera opens and closes just like an eye. It opens and closes. You guys, I hope you know the Samsung Galaxy S9, they introduced that kind of feature, and to my own aspect, I think this was their kind of go on this device. They look way back and say, can we just put that kind of feature? Because the aperture, it controls all the aperture. When you open at the back, you can see there's a tiny small camera lens and stuff like that. It's so small here. You can see on this kind of side, it's open and closing on the lid. It opened on the lid and it closes the lid. So I think to my own aspect, Samsung just went against the rule actually, but it's a feature. Now we can't blame that Samsung they copied or something, they do something like this. This is just a feature. It's the camera. The camera doesn't look still all this. Still, to my own aspect, I give it go, because if you take a picture on this phone, still it survives all the misery of the picture. As you can see guys, this is the picture which I took, and these are some of the picture which I've taken already, like the wall picture, the back picture. I've taken a bunch of the picture. This it's so amazing. So the flashlight does its own great job and it keeps the game surviving. Now, jumping to the main aspect of sound, still this phone gives a good amazing sound. Now we're gonna play some music so as you guys you can hear how the sound it is. As you can see, okay guys, so just like that, this phone gives an amazing speaker, and something which is so great about this phone is the sound, and still headphone jacks is there. Now I don't say like headphone jack is not there. Actually, headphone jack was there and still it's there for these N series devices, and still I hope headphone jack won't go away. Now this is something which is so great to my own aspect, and something which is so great upon this device. As you can see guys, when you hover this around, it tilts. It tilts just like a normal phone going landscape mode. When you're in a portrait mode, you go landscape mode, you can see the phone just tilts. As you can see guys, as you can see. So this phone is so great when it comes to spec like these ones, and I'm so excited to see this phone and put my hands on it, because it reminds me when we were fighting against the Symbian OS. Not only fighting, but using this kind of tech. I grew through this kind of tech and it's so inspiring to me, and I'm so excited about it. So this is the Nokia N series. I don't know about you guys, what you're thinking about this device. Perhaps it's not your oldest device, or what kind of device you guys have been using. Let me know in the comments down below, and comment in which device captured you back in the days. Is it the BlackBerry? Is it the Sony, the Walkman? Is it Motorola? Is it what type of device captured you in 2006, 2007 or 2008? So this is the Nokia N86 series, and these are my impression on this device, and these are the things which captured me. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe, get subscribed. It will be so amazing. And last but not least, I think I'll be catching you guys on the next video. So yeah, I'm so excited guys, and I hope you're all excited. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.